birds, bees, flowers, fish, right?
Okay.
For the movie.
Oh God.
¿Video de qué?
And whose turn?
Es un video de nuestros voces.
Ahí goes my turn.
Okay. To me, right?
Tu
Oh, I
voz
did
es
you.
igual.
I think.
No
It's
tengo
your
buena
turn.
voz ahorita.
Sí.
Es el punto.
Flowers or fish? Fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I know
7, 8, 9, 10.
¿Quieres que cheque arriba si quedó algo mal? Voy a checar arriba si quedó algo mal.
Traiga a ver si de veras están apagados los gases y traiga la cama de...
A ver,
¿La cama de quién?
del
Sí,
perro.
no.
Okay, I don't know.
No.
Shoot.
Sit. Birds, bees, flowers, or fish? Flowers. 1, 2, 3,
Posies.
4. No.
No, that was used. That was used.
But she doesn't know that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh. What is this?
You're the coyote. I do him?
Yeah.
Okay. Birds, beasts, flowers, or fish?
One.
Beasts. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Coyote.
Yes.
Yes.
And you do it again because you got it.
Okay. Birds, beasts, flowers, or fish? Birds. 1, 2, 3,
Ooh.
4, 5, 6.
Spearow, which is a Pokemon bird. Which is a Pokemon bird.
You couldn't have said sparrow.
I
You had to say Spearow.
Sparrow.
And then you have to make up an excuse
No,
for
no,
it.
totally counts. Totally counts. Keep going. Oh God.
Apples or oranges.
No,
You know,
totally.
apples or
Just
whatever.
let me
No,
cheat.
there's
Just
no
let me
arguing
cheat this
around.
one time.
No.
I'm calling me out.
No.
Every
Birds,
time you
beasts,
call me out.
flowers,
You to
or
Loretta.
Fish. Fish. 1, 2,
Sea cucumber.
3, 4.
Okay.
Birds, beasts, flowers, or fish? Flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6.
Petunias.
I said that.
Again.
No. No, no, no.
I'm
My
on
turn.
2K.
To
Do you want me
Loretta.
to hold it?
Sure.
Bird. Whoa! Whoa! Birds, beasts, flowers, or fish? Birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Egret. Egret.
Egret! Oh! Janine with a stunning egret.
Thank you.
Loretta had to say it.
Egret.
No.
But I have no more. Oh, ostrich.
No, it's over. The 10 is done. The 10 is done.
Okay. Next.
It's Emilio, right?
Oh yeah.
Sorry, Phyllis.
Birds, bees, flowers, or fish. Flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Bougainvilleas.
6.
Bloombelias?
Mm.
Bloombelias?
Bougainvilleas.
Oh.
We had a whole conversation
Alright.
about it.
Again.
Birds, bees, flowers, or fish. Fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Crabs.
What? Crafts?
Crabs.
Crabs? Oh.
Okay. Good. Crabs, right?
Birds,
Crabs?
bees, flowers, or fish, beast. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Mountain
5,
goat.
6, 7, 8.
Mmm. Not the mountain bear, but the mountain goat. That's good. That's good. That works.
So again.